Hi everyone and welcome! In this video, we are going to talk about real estate investment mistakes that moms should avoid. Investing in real estate is one of the great ways to generate passive income and build long-term wealth. However, it is important to do your research to avoid common mistakes that can lead to costly financial mistakes. My name is Havan Lee at Real Estate Supermoms. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Check in every Wednesday and leave me a comment below to let me know how this channel can better serve you. And to all our listeners and viewers, thank you so much for your support. Real estate investing is such a long-term commitment. It is crucial to do your due diligence before investing. This means researching local market trends, analyzing the property's potential value, and understanding any potential risk involved. For example, if you're looking to invest in rental property, it's important to research the local rental market, the vacancy rate, and potential rental income. You should also consider the condition of the property, an estimated repair list or renovation budget, any zoning or regulatory issue that may affect the value of the property. When investing in real estate, it's important to stick with your budget and avoid getting emotionally attached to your property. Overpaying for a property can lead to negative cash flow and lower returns on your investment. To avoid overpaying for properties, you want to make sure you have a clear understanding of the property's value compared to other properties that are similar in the area. And I know a lot of time this easy said but can be hard to do because I still get challenged from time to time. Let's say you and the seller build really great relationship, you're like best friends, you really like each other, you want to make everything work, but sometimes when you plug in all the number, it's just not gonna work, it's not there. And those are the times that you want to pull them up and really look at them and accept the reality versus thinking, no, I can get the renovation a little bit cheaper. Oh, we're gonna be able to sell it for more because our granite countertop is much more beautiful. Maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe we'll find that next buyer that will love the house more than any other house in the neighborhood. But really, that just have not been proven to work. Real estate investing can require a good chunk of upfront capital. That's why it's important to have a solid financial plan before investing. This means having a clear understanding of your investment goal, your budget, and your financial options. For example, if you're planning to invest in a rental property, you may take into consideration of the purchase cost, the renovation cost, the property management, and ongoing maintenance and repairs in your budget versus your monthly rental income. Additionally, you can also consider different financing options such as taking out a home equity loan, a mortgage to purchase the property, or a line of credit to cover some of that upfront cost. Check out my other video series on how to manage your business cash flow for profit. I would say out of all the steps, this one is very extra crucial. Real estate investing can be pretty complex. It is important to work with a great team that can provide valuable insight and help you make informed investment decisions. This may include a real estate agent who can help you find the right property, a property management company who help you manage the property, and a CPA who can help you minimize your tax liabilities. For example, a real estate agent can help you identify the right investment that will meet your investment goal and help you negotiate for a fair price. And a good property management will help you get that property leased out quickly and stay occupied. A good CPA also can help you provide clarity on your finances and develop a solid investment plan. Diversification is the key in real estate investing. By spreading your investment in different properties and location and investment strategies that can help to minimize your investment risk and maximize your investment returns. For example, you can consider different investment strategies such as flipping for today's cash flow and invest a portion of it into syndication fund or funds of funds to generate more passive income and reduce that tax liabilities. By diversifying your investments, you can reduce your exposure to risk and increase your success in the long run. And this really happened to us as well. When there's months that we may not be able to flip at many properties that we projected for, however, we were lucky to continuously receive a stable passive income that will help us and allow us to continue to live our life the way that we desire it. So how that works for us was there is time in our business that we did not flip as many properties in a month as we projected for. But having that building up the passive income that constantly coming in, it was so wonderful to know that you have a consistency of income and it's reduced a whole lot more stress and allow you to continue to live the life that you designed for. Investing in real estate can be a great way to build long-term wealth. Be sure to do your research before making any investment decisions. By avoiding these mistakes and have a solid investment plan in place, it will help your real estate journey to be a whole lot more enjoyable and less stressful. If you have any feedback or question, leave me a comment below. I look forward to reading them. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you on the next one.